I don't know how to do intros, but I have a list, well, not a list, paper with French pronunciations on it. I am going to try to pronounce a French tongue twister, which is this one right here. A little bit of copy and a little bit paste. Where'd the webcam thing go? Where is it? Anyways, it translates to I am what I am, and if I am what I am, what am I? So, we're just gonna put on voice input, and I'm gonna pronounce it and see what it translates to. Because we're doing it for fun. I wish I hadn't raised my eyebrows. There. I clicked you. I am what I am. Whoops. Je suis ce que je suis et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? What? I keep on saying helmet and I don't know. Je suis ce que je suis et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? I am what I am. I actually said that right? Oh man! I was trying to do that so many times for school and then this happens. I say it correctly. Okay, why is my mouse doing that? Hello, mouse, stop. Je suis ce que je suis et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? Here we go. I am. Wait. I'm what I'm here. I'm sure I'm helmet. Okay, I don't know what's going on with the webcam. It just gave up. Je suis ce que je suis et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? I'm what I'm here. I'm sure Jessica. Okay, I'm not saying here. Thank you very much. Je suis ce que je suis et see, I messed up. Alright, I messed up. So I said, I am what I am, a student. I am a student. I mean, I'm just in 5th grade. Not even close to high school. Je suis ce que je suis et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? Did that work? I said hopefully that worked at the end of this, so yeah. I am what I am here. I am what I am. What am I? Oh, okay, that just got confusing. I am what I am. Let's just make the computer say it.
I am what I am here. I am what I am what I am. Je suis ce que je suis ici. Je suis ce que je suis. Qu'est-ce que je suis?
You people think I said that?
Je suis ce que je suis ici. Je suis ce que je suis. Qu'est-ce que je suis?
I did not say that. What am I supposed to be saying again? Yeah, no, because there was no hearing. Je suis ce que je suis et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? Jeffrey, Jeffrey, I don't even know how to pronounce that name. Focuser, I don't. Suicide? Why do I keep on saying helmet? This time, we are going to be saying French and Spanish. Je suis ce que je suis et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? Yo, swish, swish, swish. I swish, swish. Oh, come. Ugh. Well, I did try to do it in Spanish. Let's try another one. Close my eyes. Clicky dip. What did I click on? Alright. And click the language. That's fun. I never heard of that language before. Oh, come on. Okay. Picking this one. Did I pick French? Did I honestly pick French? Alright. Okay, that one. Let's do it. Je suis ce que je suis et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? That's different. Playing this Vichyssoise, that's a thing? That's too,
Playing this Vichyssoise S2EP1 CSO is uphill gas cascades.
I was gonna say that same thing, except for cascades, so I would just pronounce that right. This language has to make me sneeze. No offense to the two people who speak this language. I just picked a random one, trust me. Click. Oh, S. What's that translate to? Oh man, I can't see it. Which one did I pick? Did I click Irish? Ah, yes, I am. Oh, look at that. I can now see it. Alright, guess I'm not speaking Irish. Hungarian, okay. Je suis ce que je suis, et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? I don't know what that means.
Jess returned WPC to Jessica Jones Wiki.
Alright, hopefully the thumbnail is not it being in non-French. Alright, where the heck is French? Okay, let's just try Italian really quick. Je suis ce que je suis, et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? Je suis. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. That's weird. Alright, we better get back to French, because I don't want the thumbnail being, you know, not French. So I can record for 15 minutes. Je suis ce que je suis, et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? I said helmet again. I am what I am, and I'm sure I am, okay, hold on. I am what I am, and I'm sure I am helmet? Okay, what?
I am what I am, and I'm sure I am helmet.
Oh my gosh, yes. Who likes my new background picture? I love it. Maybe no longer gonna go like, Jenny thinks that this is funny, or not. Well, too bad, suck. Back to this nonsense. Je suis ce que je suis, et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? I am what I am, and if I am what I am helmet, I am. Kind of the same thing I said last time, and I kind of said kind of weird. So let's get back on this. Je suis ce que je suis, et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? I said it way too fast. I am what I am. Okay, why do I keep on saying I see? I'm not saying that. I am what I am, and I am here. I am sure that this weekend I am. Well, it is Friday.
I am what I am here. I am sure that this weekend I am.
Okay. That's not what I want. Alright, what am I missing? If you stick your head down, then your voice gets lower, apparently. So let's do that and see what it says. Je suis ce que je suis, et si je suis... I forgot the rest because I wasn't even looking at the paper. Ooh. Let's say Swift. Je suis ce que je suis, et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? I don't know what that means. Just like Jesse James. I stuck my head down and talked in the random voice I came up with. Just like Jesse James? Sounds like a real person. The key.
Just like Jesse James.
Licky!
Just like Jesse James.
More happier. Je suis ce que je suis, et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? That took forever. Je suis... Oh, wait. Oh, yay, this one!
I am what I am, and if I am what I am, Jess Wood Helmet.
Jesswood Helmet? Sounds like a name, like an actual name.
Je suis ce que je suis, et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que Jess Wood?
I like this one better. Je suis ce que je suis, et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? I turned you off.
I'm what I'm here. I'm sure I'm broken.
Oh, that one! I remember that. I was trying to say this earlier before I made this video, and I said it, and it said that, and I was talking about like some lyrics, and that's how I came up with it. Yeah, if you're in a red band, or whatever genre, just make your lyrics this. Unless you speak French, or Italian, or Hungarian, or all the other stuff I choose. Je suis ce que je suis, et si je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que je suis? Headphones! Yay! Why do I keep on saying head? Oh wait, helmet is not. I meant head is not helmet.
I am what I am, and if I am what I am, Jackson Headphones.
I forgot Jackson was a word. I don't name. I don't even know if names are words. Acronyms aren't, I can tell you that. Oh, shit. We're running out of time because I only can record for 15 minutes, so I'm going to say this as fast as I can. Je suis ce que je suis, et suis, je suis, I forgot the... Je suis ce que je suis, et suis, why do I keep on saying sweet? Or how do you pronounce that? I don't know. Je suis ce que je suis, AC, AC, ooh. Okay, now I'm cold. Je suis ce que je suis, AC, je suis ce que je suis, qu'est-ce que I must. Alright, helmet again.